4 points are given here. Question is asking you to calculate what is the projection of vector AB on vector CD. Projection of vector AB on vector CD. That is nothing but vector AB dot vector CD divided by magnitude of CD, right? This is the formula. A dot B divided by magnitude of B, or A dot B cap. Now if you want to calculate what is the value of AB, see this AB can be written as what now? See these are basically the points. You can calculate the position vector of the point. How to calculate the position vector of the point? Vector OA can be written as 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, right? Similarly, vector OB can be written as 1i cap minus 1j cap minus 1k cap. So now what you do, AB is nothing but vector AB is nothing but vector OB minus vector OA. So what to do? Instead of writing this and wasting time in the competitive exam, just to subtract the numbers. 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3i cap. Minus 1 plus 3 will be equal to 2j cap. And then minus 1 minus 2 will be equal to minus 3k cap. And similarly, vector BC will be equal to vector AB on vector CD, right? Vector CD can be written as vector OD minus vector OC. We are not going to calculate the position vector of the point in the exam. So we can directly write 3 minus 2, 1, I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Correct? 3 minus 2 is 1 everywhere. So now you have to just take the dot product between AB and CD. So it is minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 divided by root of CD. Root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. So what is your answer that we get? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 4 divided by root 3. This will be the projection of vector AB on CD.